Hello everyone, today I want to work on this caboose. Now this is an old Bachmann caboose that somebody painted funky red and yellow, which I suppose it's okay, but I just happen to need a Conrail caboose, so this is going to get painted blue for Conrail. And I bought these because I like them. I like the metal wheel that Bachmann uses, and this one has these kind of fake knuckle Bachmann couplers. They're all right. They do all right for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and pull out the bottom section without breaking anything. Well, that was easy. So perfect. I'm going to go paint this blue. While I'm waiting for my paint to dry, I can keep working on my DPM kit. So I'll keep doing this off camera. A little bit of paint really does change the look of things. So this is what it looks like at the end there. So that helped the building quite a bit there. I'm really glad I bought this now. The paint job turned out great. I'm gonna want to paint the roof black though. That's a very important detail. On this caboose you can remove the cupola. This will help me to make the edge here very straight. I'm getting ready for my decals. This is the set that I used. I used it for freight cars, engines. I do my Conrail patch jobs with this, and also I'm going to do a caboose with it. Whenever I do decals, I always make sure I have a picture of the real engine or the real caboose close by. Now sometimes it happens that they break on you. That's part of the game, I guess. So I'm going to take a minute and fix this off camera. I don't always, but this time I feel like I need some microsol on this one. So you just apply it and give it some time to dry. Looks much better with the decals on. I'm gonna put some dull coat on it because it's very shiny, but otherwise I'm really happy with the way it looks. With the dull coat it looks much better. Now I want to do windows for this, so whenever you get food containers like this, don't throw them out. You can use the clear part of it to make windows. So I'll just keep cutting small chunks out of it, and they will become my windows. As you can see, this looks way better, and this technique is good for cabooses, passenger cars, engines, Russell snow plows, buildings. The only limit is your imagination. I'm gonna put my wheels back on now. Looks way better with the wheels. And now it's time to run some trains. I'm running my Arnold U25C on track 1 and Cado SD40 on track 2. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.